Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video. And what we got here today is this 56-inch Airmaster Mark I industrial. You don't see too many of these except for being installed in Home Depot. This one came out of a cafe along with 3 others. Tot 16 has one, a Man Fan has one, and I have one. So yeah, that's where the tag would be, but you can see it says Mark I right there. It would also say Airmaster. That's what the tops of these look like, by the way, if anybody's ever curious. These things are extremely lightweight. Look at how small that motor is. You know what I mean? Like, my hand's bigger than that almost. But yeah, it's this fan. But yeah, the only time I've ever seen these fans installed anywhere is Home Depot, and that's about it. But I got one here on the rig. So let's give this a whirl, shall we? I just bumped into the other fan that was next to me. Alrighty, so here's low speed. For testing purposes, I have it on the Fastco for speed control, non-capacitor based. Anyway, here's low speed. I must say, I like how slim this fan looks. It's got a very slim design to it. And already having it on low speed, I can feel just the slightest amount of air from it. Most of the time when I see these fans running, they're usually just, you know, on off, high speed, and they usually have bad capacitors. I believe the capacitor in this thing is a 3 microfarad capacitor, so it's really not much to get that little motor going. Alright, let's take it up to medium low. Anytime I see these fans running in Home Depot, this is about as fast as they run, because they always have bad caps. But the capacitor in this one is obviously still good. Yeah, for how cheaply made this industrial is, this thing actually moves quite a bit of air. Alrighty, let's take this up to medium high now. Yeah, this thing actually moves quite a bit of air. Not bad. That looks like it's already on high speed pretty much. Alrighty, let's go to high speed. I'm sure there's going to be no difference because it sounds like it's already at high speed. Oh yeah, no difference. So you might as well just have this as a 3-speed fan video. So that's high speed right there for this. And that's going pretty quick. Again, these are good fans when they don't have bad caps. Let's get a little close-up of it now. Not a bad fan. Not bad at all. Alrighty, let's do spin down on this thing. Alrighty, spin down in 3, 2, 1. This fan's got good bearings. I don't hear any hissing, nothing like that. I would assume that this fan's from the mid-2010s, because that's when I really started seeing these things come out, you know, and getting installed in different Home Depots and stuff. Yeah, again, this is another fan that I would never expected to have in my collection. I feel like this will be like the Silver Line again, where it's long. Alright, the fan's getting ready to stop here. This thing got good bearings. Oh, just like that. It has now come to a complete stop, and I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.